Hello, everybody. It's Tuesday at 12:30, and you know what that means. It means it's time for Temp-tations Tuesday, where we highlight an item available on QVC.com and talk about it, give you some suggestions, hear from all of you, and it's just kind of our time together to catch up. Hey, Cindy, good to see you, jumping on right away. Happy Tuesday. And you know what I love about today? Today is a brand new item. Seriously. Brand new item, never been done before in our classic old world, classic floral lace, everything you love, great colors. Hey, Rhonda. Hello, everyone. Hi, Tracy and Sue's jumping on. Wanda's here, Melinda. So good to see everybody. Thank you for joining us on Temp-tations Tuesday. Look at this little sneak peek right in front of you. The item that we're going to be highlighting today is an awesome, adorable 16-ounce little mini wok bowl. I mean, it's just the silhouette that's so fantastic. Helper handles here on the side, braided detail. Can we just talk about how gorgeous that confetti? Boom, look at that. Absolutely stunning. And you're going to receive 4 of them. Do they nest? Of course they nest, absolutely. And I love the fact that we have never done this silhouette before. This has been a huge customer request. Great idea, guys. And so many things from cereal and soups and pasta and the perfect portion size of 16 ounces. Did I mention stir fry? Oh, we have a stir fry going on. Yes, we do. Yeah, Valerie, happy Temp-tations Tuesday. Hey, Rhonda, I love this little thing we've started here. Rosalia, how are you? Oh, Rosalia said she already purchased them. Did you get them? What'd you think? Did you open them yet? I mean, come on. I jumped a day, LOL. Karen, I'm not sure what that means. You jumped a day? What is it, Wednesday? I don't know what day it is. I'm convinced that the week from after Christmas to New Year's is just like this. I don't know what it is. It's nobody knows. All right, so let's get serious. That means I'm getting my sticky out, okay? Item number on QVC.com only. K406960 is Old World, and K406962 is Floral Lace. I'm going to give you a couple of ideas. $24.95 for all 4. That's right. Basically a little over $6 a wok. A 16-ounce. Great silhouette. Look at that. It even has like a little pedestal here on the side. Little helper handles here. I love these so much. All right, let's talk about some ideas. $24.95. You're getting all 4. 16 ounces. Gave you the item numbers. Wait till you see what we did. Okay. Wait. Maybe I'll do stir fry first. Ready? Look at me moving back here. Can't see me, can you? In our awesome saute pan, I did a little stir fry. Because why wouldn't you? This is actually something that my husband, Ed, and I love to do. And because he's more on the vegan, vegetarian route, these types of dishes are amazing. Usually with his, I put a little tofu in. With mine, I definitely put a little chicken or beef in. But I love the presentation that this makes. And I love that it's a unique shape, a fun bowl, something different instead of your traditional kind of wah-wah round bowl. I mean, there's a place for those too. But hello, steaming, guess what I'm having for lunch? Stir fry. And how beautiful. Look, I love how I can hold it like, it's got like that really sweet silhouette, that like chubby little belly. And then the helper handles make it so easy. You can literally tuck these under the broiler, pull them out by the helper handles. So stir fry, come with me. Wait till you see all the amazing things that we did. How about chili? We actually baked the cornbread inside first. We took our little hand mixer. We mixed right inside here. So remember, these go in the oven up to 500 degrees, the fridge, the freezer, the microwave, the dishwasher. My husband got me 2 sets of snowman espresso ornament cups. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. Isn't that awesome? Happy birthday, Karen. I'm seeing Lisa sending you a shout out. So happy birthday. You should get I have a Facebook portal, Janet. I should use it more. I know. You know, I'm a creature of old habits. Look at how beautiful. We did individual cornbreads that we baked, cut the tops, and then spooned in some beautiful chili. Topped it with sour cream, some fresh onions, some gorgeous cheddar cheese, and this is a meal. You are done, and only 1 dish to cook. I mean, unless you're going to eat all 4, and then there's 4 dishes to cook. What can I say? Michelle is saying she wants the set. I got to tell you, it's amazing. Here's the perfect day in a life of one of our wok bowls. Okay, let's start. Normally I'd start with the dessert and snacks, but let's start with breakfast. We did a gorgeous yogurt parfait. Remember, because you can chill these, put these in the fridge or the freezer ahead of time, take them out, and then start to layer in all of the things that you love to eat in the morning. Love that. This could also be a hot cereal. Remember, you could also do some granola in there. How about it's lunchtime? Let's have some split pea soup. Again, love the fact that you can heat this up in the microwave. 16 ounces. Matthew Angelo, like your hair color, looks great. Thank you. It's called growing out, and maybe my real color is coming back in. That's what that hairstyle is called. There's our soup. Here's our dinner. Now we have, look at that, 5 heaping meatballs and plenty of pasta. I would easily say that's probably 2 cups of pasta. And then we did a little snack mix. This could be your dessert. This could be your no-bake Rammy cheesecakes that you love to make and are delicious. Then, speaking of dinner for 2, look at this. I love that we did some beautiful mousse with some chocolate-covered strawberries, because everything's better with chocolate-covered strawberries. And we did a perfect meal. Mashed potatoes, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and a gorgeous piece of breaded chicken that we did. You could do it in your air fryer and serve it right in here. You could do it under your broiler and serve it right in here. I love the fact that these are not only great baking pieces, but they're also, can we order right now? You absolutely can, Michelle. I'm going to give you the details, okay? I love that for a Temp-tations Tuesday, as we kick off the brand new year, we have a brand new item. Something we've never done before. Something super excited to share with all of you. Let me put this back. You think that's easy? It's not. Here are your item numbers, Michelle and everybody. Hi, gang. Ooh, Laura said she ordered the gray floral lace. I love these. These are cute for Chinese takeout. Completely agree. Love, love, love. Okay, Old World K406960. Remember, you're getting all 4 16-ounce wok bowls. Waka waka. Look at how beautiful the confetti is. I can't get over it. And, because I really haven't highlighted, look how gorgeous the floral lace is. No brown beading. So you have that tonal beading that runs all the way around. These are so... The red floral lace, by the way, you guys, has been on fire. You're loving it. And then, speaking of floral lace, see how I did that? Not on purpose. I'm not that clever. K406962. is going to be your floral lace. So head over to QVC.com. This is our first Temp-tations Tuesday of a brand new year. Happy New Year, everyone. 2021. Here's to our best year yet. Let's put it out to the universe. And enjoy these. Head over, check out the colors. Old World Floral Lace, under 25 bucks. They're on 3 easy payments of $8.32. I mean, what more could you want? Maybe someone to come cook for you. I mean, okay. All right, you guys, thank you so much for jumping on. We are going to continue on with our day. Happy, happy New Year, everyone. May it be happy, may it be healthy, and love you all. Thanks for jumping on. And we will see you this time next Tuesday. It's kind of like a thing. All right, bye, guys.